Welcome to another.
I gotta sneeze. Fossil one. Okay.
Another issue? What do you call this? Session?
Movie?
Anyway.
Pick a movie.
Pick a movie, cup of joy.
Pick a movie, cup of
Joy! Alright, you ready?
Yep, my turn.
Dun, 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 dun. How does a bit? Blum.
Blim. I'm not very good at the blim.
One of mine or one of yours?
It's one of mine again. Willy Wonka.
Oh, perfect. Good. All right. This has been a long time coming.
We've never watched this movie together.
Never. My
the
God.
original one with Gene Wilder.
Cheer up, Charlie.
Cheer up, Charlie. And then what is it? Don't care
How I want it now. Wow.
She was a bad egg.
Good pick.
Willy Wonka.
Uh.
Your house is so cute.
Ta-da! If you want to view paradise.
Simply look around and view it. What'd you think?
Oh, great. It's been so long since I've seen it. Like probably 20 years. Yeah. Because
I think I was like a kid the last time I watched it.
right.
The tunnel scene still freaks me out.
It is very strange.
But the rest of it was pure imagination.
Yeah.
See what I did there?
Yeah. Very good movie. I mean, it's Gene Wilder. He makes it.
He was magical.
Yeah.
He was so good.
Yeah.
He's so funny.
Yeah.
His delivery of lines and just how he just like
He's
stare at
so
people.
close up to
He's
people.
so close up, and then like his random like one-liners of, well, one of my favorite lines ever is the music one. What is the
We are the music makers. We are the dreamers of dream. The licking wallpaper.
Snollsbury. Whoever
Whoever
heard of
Snollsbury.
Brat.
Right. Yeah.
Such a brat.
But great movie. I mean, classic. I know that we haven't seen the new one yet,
I want to though.
which is like the prequel.
Yeah.
Well, not prequel, but pretty prequel.
It looks good.
It does. I think it looks really good.
Yeah.
But thumbs up, definitely.
Thumbs up. It holds up. It was very nostalgic for me. I may or may not have cried. Surprise, surprise. It was good. It was so good.
Yeah. Good job, Willy Wonka.
Willy Wonka, Gene Wilder.